Hi guys, Simon here. In today's video I'm showing you how to hide your iCloud download button in your App Store, like you've never downloaded the app. First we open our App Store, if you have iPhone, and then the first one we see here is Google Chrome. Now you see the iCloud download button, and when I tap on it, it's gonna download it again on my phone. But when you want to remove this, you go to your name in the right corner, we go to purchased, my purchases, and then we tap not on this iPhone. Now when we search for Google Chrome, you see still the iCloud download button, and when we swipe it to the left, you see hide. Now when we hide it, the iCloud download button is gonna switch to get, so it's gonna say get instead of showing this iCloud button. We tap done, and you see Google Chrome. Even if I search for it, the download button is gone, and now it says get. So now we switched it to get instead of the iCloud button, and you can still download the app, of course. It just says get. That's the only thing that changes. I hope this video was clear for you. If you have questions, please let me know in the comments, and see you next time.